Hello everyone. Today behave, I introduce you about the second design pattern is the behavioral second type of design pattern is behavioral design pattern. So uh, this is with this type we have a several design pattern, but first we will go through strategy design pattern. This is very famous and using very commonly in a real application. We have uh, as mentioned in the solid video. Um, this pattern support the open close and dependency version principle. These two principle can be achieved with a strategy design pattern. So what is strategy design pattern? Strategy design pattern is enable selecting algorithm at runtime. We can define a families of algorithm and put each of them into separate class and make their objects interchangeable. So but this design pattern rely heavily in encapsulation. So we need to separate the codes, change frequently and study codes, and encapsulate them into separate classes. And later we can change or update or add new parts of the application that change frequently without affecting the static part. And also we should program to the sharper type. Uh, the actual runtime object should not be logged into the code, and the type of variable should be abstract. It can be any concrete implementation. So if we separate the behaviors from the implementations into concrete specific classes, will easier to review the software's component, and we can add new behavior without modifying an existing classes or the module. So in summary, this is some advantage of strategy design pattern. You can see here is encapsulate algorithm. When it's encapsulate algorithm, so it can be changed at the runtime. Can be changed at the runtime, and it will simplify the code because we can add new or modify the existing less less effect to another part, and we can eliminate the conditional logic like else if or switch cases. Also, here is the other advantage is reusability, as we mentioned, and more is it's easier to testing when we separate the behavior uh, 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 into classes, and it will not depend each other, so it helps us easier to test the individual behavior. So now we can go to the uh, the exam to see more about this one. So here I have example. We have the operation. this is we have an interface, and we have a method here. For example, execute, and we have specific operation is, for example, addition. In here, just for demonstrating, we will implement the operation interface. So for demonstration, you print out the message here. For example, also we need to the value here. Example, value 1 and value 2. And here we have a total is equal to value 1 plus value 2. Here we print out the total value here, total. Okay, so we need to add the variable here. And then we can have the other class name operation manager. In this one, we can call the operation interface here. And you have the method name set operation type here, for example. And we call this operation equal to operation. And in this one, we will call the general method execute here. We have a value of value true, and this function to execute one and value 2. So you can see this is we encapsulate the all types of operation here, and we call here for execute the operation. And this is in this slide you can see this one can change at runtime. So now we can test this. Operation manager, operation, equal operation, and operation here. We can set operation type here. Example, we have a addition operation, and then we call the execute method here and passing the value into the method. You see, this is the printed value, and if we want to add other operation, for example, subtraction. So here we just implement the operation, and we uh, we write the logic of this operation here, and we do not to change any other logic or classes. So just for demonstrating, I will print out the method here is the very short example. And this one, we have here. This we have example value 1 minus value 2. And put it in here. So now we come here and we can uh, uh, call other one example subtraction, and we put the value here example 5. We want to uh, uh, use first value minus to the second, and we run. Here you can see the result. In next video I will introduce you an example about using this design pattern in string input. It's also kind of more close to the real application in real project. Okay, thank you for your watching.